Hey, are you ready to learn some salsa moves? Boom! Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Herman Alvarez. Welcome back to another Shine tutorial. This is what I taught to my students today. I hope you like it. And by the way, go ahead and click the like button right now. Subscribe and follow us for more free salsa content. I keep on posting Shine tutorials, more partner work coming up, so stay in the loop. Go ahead, share with your friends, it'll help me out. By the way, give me a phone call. My phone number is 786-440-8920. Maybe we can set up a Facetime or WhatsApp call and get your dance move right. Enjoy this video. Boom! Boom! What's going on, guys? My name is Herman Alvarez and I want to teach you some salsa. This is a shine that I taught to my students today. Let's jump right into it. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, slightly diagonal, 7, and I'm going to kick 8 and 1. So that is kick, step behind, crossover. Kick, step behind, crossover. Kick, step behind, crossover. Last one. Kick, step behind, crossover. A view from the back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 diagonal. Kick, step behind, crossover. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Kick, step behind, crossover. And kick, step behind, crossover. Again, kick, step behind, crossover. Again, kick, step behind, crossover. Last one, kick, step behind, crossover. So from the top, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Kick, step behind, crossover, and I'm going to cross twice, forward, forward. I'll do it again. 5, 6, 7 from the top. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. So I cross twice in front, again, from the 8 and 1. Kick and cross, cross, cross. Again. Kick, ball, change, cross, cross. Again, kick, ball, change, cross, cross. A view here from the front, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3 from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Last one, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to repeat it again, 4 and 5. Let's see it again from the top, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, bump, 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 boom, boom, bump, bump, bump. So I do the same step twice. A view from the back, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Last one, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'm going to cross diagonally, 6, and I'm going to step in the same place, 7, turning all the way around. That is 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. A view from the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. I am going to open up 8 and 1. So that is open and close. Again, open, step backwards, crossover. Open and cross. 5, 6, 7. Open and cross. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Forward 2, 3. Back to the basic. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3. So from the 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3. All the way from the top. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Bum, bum, bum. Cross, cross. Bum, bum, bum. Turn around. Bum, bum, bum. 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. One more time. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Cross, cross. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3. Last one. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7 from the top. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Cross, cross. 4 and 5, 6, 7. Cha-cha. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. So now that we've done it together, we know what the numbers are. Let's do it with music. Bam! So you made it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And if you learned something, go ahead and click the like button. Share with your friends. Follow and subscribe here for more free salsa content. And if you need help with your salsa, I want to help you out. Give me a call, 786-440-8920. Maybe we can set up a FaceTime or a WhatsApp call to see how I can help you improve. Thank you so much. Bam!